What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to program an additional key fob to a 2022 Chevy Traverse. Like I said, it's a 22 Traverse in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So for the procedure that we're going to look at in this video, we need two already working keys, two programmed keys that already work for the vehicle, and then we're going to add an additional key with that. If you do not already have two working keys, there's another longer procedure that you can use, and I'll put a link to that in the description box of this video. But for the procedure for this video, we need two working keys, and then we're going to add another one. So as you can see, I have my two working ones here, and then the one with the key chain on it is on programs currently. So the first thing that we're going to do is remove the emergency key out of one of the already programmed keys out of the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take my two working key fobs and just put them in my pocket, because we need to make sure that the vehicle is going to read them here in a second. Now I'm going to use this emergency key to pop this cap off the driver's door. So taking a look underneath the cap, you can see that notch right there that I'm touching with the end of the key. So what I'm going to do with this hand is pull the door handle open like that. Then I'm going to push the emergency key straight up in that notch and just kind of wiggle it back and forth, and then it'll pop that cap off. And we'll take a look at how to put this cap back on at the end. So now again, you need your two working keys in somewhere where the vehicle can read them. You can even put them inside the vehicle, but at the very least you need them in your pocket. Now I'm going to put the emergency key in the door cylinder like that, and I'm going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise and then release it 5 times quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if we open our door and we take a look on the dash, you can see on the dash right here, it says ready for remote 3. So where we need to put the remote is in the transmitter pocket. The transmitter pocket is going to be in the center console. We need to remove this right here. I'll take the liner out of the bottom of it, and then I need to go ahead and grab my key fob. So place your new key fob in the transmitter pocket like that. Then I'm going to come over here and without pressing the brake, press the stop start button. And then you can see on the dash, it's went to the next one, ready for remote 4. So then what I'm going to do is take this remote out, press the unlock button. This remote's now successfully programmed. At this point, if you want to add any additional remotes, you'll repeat that previous step. Put the key fob in that little transmitter pocket, press the stop start button, and then pull the key fob out, press the unlock button. And you can have up to 8 keys programmed at one time. Once you're done adding keys, we'll come over here and exit program mode by holding down the stop start button for 12 seconds. Press and hold that down for 12 seconds. And release. And now this remote should be programmed. Let's go ahead and test it out. That works. Let's make sure the vehicle starts. Okay. So that's successfully programmed. And then the final thing we'll take a look at is how to replace that cap back on the driver's door. You heard a beep there because I left the key and go. So if you haven't already, go ahead and pull your emergency key out. Then what I'm going to do is put the cap on, and the cap's going to go on like this, but the important thing is we want to hook the right side on first. So pull the door handle out, and I'm going to come over here and make sure I'm hooking this right side on first like that. And then it just pops on. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.